All right. So we had some little munchkins hanging around when I loaded that up, so I didn't want to record. Now, vertical. I need to empty the truck too. Still got a whole bunch of stuff from the last run.
Just in case you're not sure, this is the Shark Scrapper channel, where we're on a mission to get stuff out of the waste stream and into a resale, reuse, or recycle stream. Yeah, that's me. I'm the Shark Scrapper. Come on, let's dive in.
Oops, forgot about that. Pretty tough glass. Okay, now, you know what? I don't know if I'm going to the scrapyard right away, or if you're headed back to the cage. So we've at least done that part. I always get so frustrated with this particular area because it's so close to the scrapyard. All right, let's get you positioned a little more. Oh, there we are. Now then. And I don't think you're going to be a problem. And we'll push you back as that comes up. I'm a little bit concerned because this has water in it. And see, that hose, it likes to spit at you.
I'm talking spitting, cobra, venom, nasty in the face, gonna kill you. Well, okay, maybe it's not quite that bad, but it's pretty nasty.
I have been spat upon by washing machines before. It's very nasty. Very nasty. All right. No spitting. It's rude. Rude behavior. Won't tolerate it. May have to climb up in there. We'll see. I want to tip it up, so I need to get it So the feet will hook on the edge of the truck bed there, I think. Okay, now then, this guy does a bunch of IT stuff, and sometimes he's got some good stuff out here, but not today. All right, I'm not worried about high-speed maneuvers just yet, so we're going to leave you guys the way you are. All right, that looks suspiciously like a whiteboard sitting on that grill. Let's see. One of those right-on wipe-off boards. And that's what that is. So, we don't want that. You're full of briquettes, but you're not warm, so. All right, let's see, what do we got going here? We have some cord footage. What do we have in there? Coat hangers. Coat hangers. That's a lot of coat hangers. Your metal and metal, metal and metal. Gotta put the window down. I did that the last time and it worked really well. Why am I not doing it today? I don't know. All right, are you aluminum or are you ferrous? You're aluminum. You're ferrous. So you can go back here. It's might be nothing. Nothing. Let's stand you up. There we go. Now, I wanted to just take a quick walk. Since I stopped the truck, we're gonna take a quick walk over here like Ben does. Takes his little walkabouts. Choose. Nope, that's it. That's all we found. One little piece of metal. Oh well. So we have a couple lawnmowers, a wheelchair, some bicycle stuff. All right, this is, what are we gonna do here? What are we gonna do here? All right, the first thing we're gonna do is get you out of the way. malcontent. Don't hit my viewers. How dare you smack my viewers? I'll have words with you. You keep smacking my viewers. And breaking. It's no wonder they got rid of you. Briggs and Stratton. Kind of a weird arrangement for a something going on there. I don't know what that's all about. All right, now, wheelchair. I don't know. Don't know what we're going to do about the wheelchair just yet. We're going to try to put you guys up. Like that. I hate the idea of just chucking a wheelchair. You would think that there would be something that could be done with the wheelchair. I don't know. Don't know what to do about the wheelchair. Do I take it? I suppose I could take it to the scrapyard because they will frequently pull stuff out, like bicycles that still have life in them, and either donate them or sell them or something like that. So I could try that. That's an interesting old piece of furniture. Let's see. You're an aluminum rim. Does that mean you're going to be an aluminum rim? Probably. Probably. Yep. Let go. Anything else interesting here? Cool old bench. I bet you that was pretty cool in its day. This like old storage cabinet thing here. What do we got? Oh, we got some wire and stuff in here. Let's see. Oops. Just spilling a whole bunch of stuff on me now. Clips and pins, a microphone. Those are pins for a badge. Mr. Deeds. A whole bunch of little pins. Oh, I want you. Don't need any paper clips. Don't want all that other stuff. I got plenty of that kind of stuff. Staple pullers and tags and things. get back up here. Okay. A fan. Just hanging out fan. And there might be cord food there, so I'm gonna hang my schnips on me. Oh, I might have to take those. Really? Come on. In the world, I have never had blades fight me this much. That should have broken real easy. Now, let's see. First thing is to get you in here. There we go. Now, I'm going to take these because we're taking that. Yeah, you're metal. So we'll take the blades. That way there's no, because the yard waste will pick up that. And I don't want to run the risk that the bulk guys don't see those and forget to take them. So now I think we have some cord food up here. We do have cord food up here. Come on, you. Anybody need a toilet? There's a few of them right there. No, I am not going to go grab the brass out of those tanks. I imagine there is brass in them, but I am not going to spend my time on that. Alright, this was supposed to be a fast stop, and so far it's become everything but a fast stop. All right, that took way longer than I expected. Don't like the idea of you being able to smash into the window. So I think that is a better arrangement for you. Maybe even that's even much better. No risk of you hitting the window. I know I really do need to put a window protector on there. I know. Let's see, I think you might work along the side here. Oh no, I already put a bunch of stuff on the side there, didn't I? There we go. And the rest of that's wood.